In this video, we're going to explain how to use LeadProsper's bid penalty feature to make sure you're selling leads to the true highest bidder in a campaign. When you set your campaign's distribution type to highest bidder, the LeadProsper platform will automatically route leads to the buyer who has expressed a willingness to pay the most through their bid. However, in practice, you'll often encounter lead buyers who consistently dispute charges and attempt to charge back a certain percentage of their leads at the end of each billing cycle. In fact, many contracts will include an allowance for a certain percentage of chargebacks. If you have one buyer in a campaign bidding $100 per lead against another who bids $90, but the first buyer typically charges back 20% at the end of each month while the second doesn't, you're taking a hit by selling leads to the former. When you're set up to sell to the highest bidder, click to edit a buyer and you'll see the bid penalty feature. The bid penalty feature was designed to account for this discrepancy by allowing you to reduce the bid perceived by the LeadProsper system by the percentage of your choosing. Assign a 20% bid penalty to your picky buyer, and the system will read their $100 bids as $80 ones, meaning your $90 bidder will start winning the leads and you'll make a better margin.